Ugh, I messed this up. What now?
Hi, everybody. Meet David, a newly hired data analyst at Brightline Company. He got his first major task, creating a year-end sales report. Determined to impress, David jumped right in, building charts for all the key data points. But when he submitted the report, his manager, Mr. George, was more confused than informed. The charts didn't tell the right story. Others raised more questions than answers. With the deadline close, David needs to fix things fast. He works hard, but when it comes to data visuals, he's still learning. Let's help him figure out which chart to use and when.
Problem 1. Which region performed best this year? David looks at a long list of sales by region: Asia, Europe, North America. He tries a pie chart, but it's cluttered, unclear. He needs a sharp review. Yes, the bar chart. The bar chart is made for this. With horizontal bars, it compares values across regions. Clearly, no guesswork. Problem 2. How did monthly sales trend this year? Next, David wants to show monthly performance to spot trends and seasonal shifts. But tables? Too much text. Pie charts? No timeline. So, the column chart shines here. With months on the axis and bars rising and falling, it shows sales trends over time, at a glance.
Problem 3. Which product rose to the top this year? His manager asks him to show how product rankings shifted month to month. David's stuck here. That's a hard one. The solution is the ribbon chart. It tracks rank changes visually, ribbons connecting each product's position over time.
This time, David's report doesn't just show data, it tells a story, one that compares, tracks, and uncovers insights from the entire year. Because in data storytelling, the chart you choose makes all the difference. The wrong visual? Confusion. The right one? Clarity. Let's recap. Bar chart for comparing categories. Column chart for showing trends over time. Ribbon chart for tracking rank changes. More stories, more charts, more clarity, coming in part 2. Follow Polaris Studio Hub for more Power BI tips, creative data visuals, and smarter strategies.